Welcome back. So, your store exists. This is the Orderain Builder. Everything you see here is live, editable, and yours. It's one of two sides of your store. You design here in the Builder, and you manage your products, orders, and customers in your dashboard. More on that later. For now, let me give you a quick tour of everything. Up top, you can preview your store on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Every store is fully responsive out of the box, so it looks great on any device. You can also set a custom resolution, zoom in and out of the canvas while you work. And if you ever make a mistake, undo and redo are right here too. On the left, this is your Pages panel. Every store comes with all the system pages you need: home, products, cart, checkout, even privacy policy and terms. These pages are fully hosted and integrated with your store. That means your customers can sign up, sign in, and see their own orders, history, and reviews. All built in, nothing to set up. For any page, you can change its SEO, its name, its URL, and its visibility. And when you need new pages, you can create them manually or generate them with AI. We'll do exactly that in the next video. Next, blocks. This is how pages are built. There are three kinds. Dynamic blocks connect to your real data. Products, collections, reviews, carts. So they update automatically as your store changes. Static blocks are for content sections, the parts you design once and keep. And elements are the basics: headings, images, buttons, grids, for when you want full control. And here's the nice part: you can add static blocks and elements manually from this panel, or just ask Buddy in chat and it adds them for you. Want a completely different look? Switch themes anytime. Your products and your data stay exactly where they are. Only the design changes. Try as many as you like. Now the big one? Editing. You've got two ways. First, the classic way. Select anything on the page and the sidebar opens with everything about it. Fonts, colors, spacing, all of it. Tweak away. Or just ask Buddy. Open the chat, and it even greets you with suggestions if you're not sure where to start. Hit target, point at any element on the page, and say what you want in plain English. No menus, no settings. When Buddy finishes, you'll see the change right on the canvas. Like it, hit keep it, and it's saved. Then preview your store to check everything. And when it looks good, publish it live. That's the whole flow: edit, preview, publish. And one last thing, the reason you never have to be nervous in here: version history. Every time you publish, a checkpoint is saved automatically, so there's always something to go back to. Let's prove it. We'll remove this section, change whatever we want, save it, and publish. The store is now officially a mess. And here's where version history jumps in. Open it, pick the earlier checkpoint, revert. And look at that. Everything is back, exactly as it was. You can also save versions manually before big experiments and rename any checkpoint so you find it later. Nothing you do in the Builder is ever permanent, so experiment freely. That's the Builder: your pages, your blocks, your themes, and Buddy by your side. In the next video, we'll generate a complete page with Buddy from a single prompt. See you there.